The all-new, sports utility cargo trike. Keeping the weight low down between the wheels, gives an exceptionally safe and stable ride. Hub steering is already well proven on cars, and several other manual and e-trikes. Our sports utility trike is the first model that will allow the rider to lean into corners. Releasing one clip under the seat allows the trike to fold away, for easy storage. Locking the folded frame around a post provides exceptional security. The ride feels light and nimble. Very little different to riding your traditional bike. Please follow the developments on our website, and let us know if you want to be involved, or have an interest in purchasing. The trike has a very large cargo space,